Okay, children, we'll be continuing the photosynthesis. When the sun rays will be fall on the leaf, it absorbs the sunlight and the chlorophyll are present and thus what it activates. Okay, fine, students. What happens when carbon dioxide is absorbed by plants and releases oxygen? Here, oxygen is released with the water. See what is the useful of this photosynthesis means to prepare the food. What are the utilizing? Carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. See a main thing it is absorbs the carbon dioxide means will be breathe in the carbon dioxide, absorbs the water and the sunrise will be fall on this. This plays a three important role to prepare the food. This is a process we call it as an photosynthesis. The process by which the plant's leaves make the food from carbon dioxide, water and sunlight is called as photosynthesis. This is very important, students, because you will be studying a photosynthesis very deeply in the next year. Okay, fine. Next we'll go to the what is that next will be there. The food made by the leaves is carried to the other part of the plant by the stem. Some food used by the plants, that extra food is stored in the fruit, root, stem and the seed. See a student, always the leaves what happens, they carry out the food to make the leaves will be prepare the food. Okay, the leaves will be preparing the food which is required. The leaves will be stored in it. Extra will be there, no? It will be preparing the fruit, flower, okay, and extra food will be there, no? That is extra stored food that is stored in the food, root, stem and the seeds. Okay, student. This is a why I am trusting means you have to know the food is made by the leaves is carried to the other part of the plant by the stem. So what is happens here? The leaves what happens? They prepare the food, okay? And it how it is passes? It passes through the stem. It passes through the stem to the other part of the plant. To the other part of the plant. So some extra food will be there, no? That will be stored in the fruit, stem, root and the seeds. Next, to make the food, the leaves give out a gas called oxygen. To make the food, what will be the plants will be giving out? Yes, oxygen. Yes, good student. It is oxygen. While all living things breathe oxygen to stay alive. See, our students will be exchanging the gases. Okay, what gases the plants will absorb means take in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. Where human beings will be taking in the oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide, like give and take policy. If you give, I'll be giving. If your plants is not means we can't survive. That the main thing you should concept you have to keep in the mind, student. See here, so oxygen plays an important role in our life. If it is plant is there, the plant will be giving out oxygen. It absorbs the carbon dioxide. It absorbs the carbon dioxide. Okay, student. We eat leaves of some plants as of spinach, coriander, mint, lettuce and cabbage. These are the leaves. You'll be seeing the coriander leaves and curry leaves also. Okay, students, and mint leaves, spinach, everything, the sopu and all will be telling now. These are the very specials that we'll be eating as in raw. Okay, we'll be eating as in raw. That is, we eat the leaf as an raw. We can eat the mint leaf as a raw, coriander leaf as a raw, cabbage also raw, and spinach will be cooked and will be eating as a food. Okay, student. These and all will be having as a food for our human being. We use the leaves of the plants in different ways. How we'll be using in the different ways? See here, banana leaf is used as a plate to eat food. Banana leaf. You are using banana leaves and all are no students. If does you'll be using in the where functions, mainly in the functions, in the festivals and all, you will be using the banana leaf. So it is used as a plate, okay. Then mehendi leaves, you will be seeing the mehendi leaf. It is used for their hair, for coloring and all, color for their hair, means coloring and all will be using the mehendi. So neem is used for the medicines and tulsi also used as a medicine. So the leaf is very important, plays an important role in our human life. So leaves will be important. Why we should grow nearby house at least one plant. So let that plant, if you serve the plant and we make the preserved plant, it gives us food, oxygen and many things. Very important means it survives our environment. Okay, student. So plant is very important. Plant is very important. So here from this what we are studying here, here leaves we have a sure it will be plays an important role. It has a different size and shape. The vein will be it is green in color and flat in structure, and it is represented as a leaf blade, and it is a short stalk. It is called petiole, and it is a main vein, and the leaf is divided into two parts. In that main vein, the side veins are grown, and because from the main vein only that side veins will be growing. Under the surface leaves are the tiny spores. The tiny spores are called stomata. The tiny spores are called as an stomata. They allow the air to come in and out. We can't see this holes with the naked eyes. And the functions of the leaves. So, leaves are the food factory. They prepare the food for the plants. They are green in color. Why it is green in color? Because it has an chlorophyll. The process of the leaves make the food from the carbon dioxide, water and the sunlight. It is called as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis plays an important role in the leaf. Okay, student. This is a picture of the photosynthesis. What are the required? Carbon dioxide, sunlight and water. This main thing to prepare the food for the plant. Okay. And next, what is the food is made from the leaves? That is which is carried to the other part of the plant by through the stems. They will be carrying some food used by the plants. Some of the food is used by the plant and extra food is stored in the fruit, root and stems and the seeds. To make the food, the leaves gives out a gas called oxygen. See here, all the living beings required to breathe it, that is oxygen to stay alive, where human beings required oxygen to get into our body, where carbon dioxide will be released through our body, that is required for the plants. The plants is opposite, giving take policy. We eat the leaf of the some plants of the spinach, coriander, mint and the cabbage, and we use the leaf of the plants in different ways. Where at all we'll be using the plants of the leaf means observe. Hereafter you see the students there where you will be using the leaves